Next is Associate Professor Kavita Sutar, who also joins us on Monday, but we've already put her to work. We have convinced her to move from the Chennai Mathematical Institute to join us.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Kavita Sutar. I'm a mathematician by training. I did my BSc and MSc from Pune University. And I have been teaching for the past 20 years in various roles. So I started teaching in Ferguson College, Pune for the undergraduate program. Then I taught 2 years at the Olympiad training program in Bhaskaracharya Pratishthan. After which I went for my PhD in pure mathematics. And in 2012, I joined Chennai Mathematical Institute and I've been there for the past 10 years. My PhD was from Northeastern University in Boston. I and my husband both always wanted to come back to India, so that was a no-brainer for us after the PhD. So we joined Chennai Mathematical Institute in August 2012 and I've been there for the past 10 years as a member of the faculty. And while I've been reasonably happy there and extremely happy teaching at CMI, I've been very drawn to SaiU University by Professor Bharucha's vision for SaiU University. And I truly empathize with students who are at this stage of life and don't really know what they want to become when they still grow up a bit more. Because I myself have been through that phase of life. And in fact, as I shared earlier, I never thought I'd be a mathematician. I was terribly bad at math in school, in fact. I empathize with the students who feel they don't know what they want to do in life and feel that they still need to explore various areas before they can find themselves. So, welcome to SaiU University, and I think this is the perfect place where you can find yourself.